Hi guys, and welcome to Henry channel. So this video is all about Lenovo laptops. Yeah, so the problem is you turn on your lid and the laptop automatically switches on. So we're thinking, why is this happening? And I don't want this. So I'm gonna show you now how to enable or disable this feature in BIOS. So as you can see, this is a Windows 11 laptop. I'm going to restart the laptop now. So once the laptop restarts, put your finger on the F2 key, and I'm going to tell you when to keep tapping the key. So very soon it's going to restart. So when the restarting logo disappears, and then you're going to start tapping it like crazy. Keep tapping it. So get ready, guys. So it's still in the process of restarting the laptop. Now, so keep tapping it, guys, continuously, F2 key. So it will bring you into this. You need to go to configuration. As you can see, flip to boot is enabled. This is the feature, guys. Flip to boot is causing your Lenovo laptop to turn on when you open the lid. So I want this disabled. So I will select disabled now. Yes. Now we need to save changes. F10 key will save the changes. You exit. And now let's power off the laptop. So I'm gonna turn it off completely, switch off, no power. Now the lid is closed. Now I'm gonna open the lid. Let's see. Yes, it's off. This is what I wanted. So it's not automatically coming on now. So I'm gonna power on the laptop and continue with my day. So I hope this video has helped you guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Also consider buying me a coffee. Link is in the description and pinned comment section.